Hello student, welcome to MJC Learning. This is the part 3 of the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. In this part, we will study about root mean square speed and then we'll interpret of temperature in kinetic theory of gases. Before going to start our topic directly, just recall some concepts. We know that small n is equals to capital N upon Na. Here small n is what? Number of moles, which is equals to total number of molecules upon Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? The number of molecules in 1 mole. So 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules are present in 1 mole of a gas. To understand this formula, just take example of this system, or you can say this is a truck which contains 5 boxes. Each purple container contains 4 apples. So obviously total number of apples is equals to 20. 4 into 5, which is equals to 20. So capital N is equals to total number of apple is equals to 20. Na is number of apple in each purple container, which is equals to 4. So how to find the number of purple container in this truck? So obviously answer will be 5, because 20 apples divided by 4, which is equals to 5. So small n is equals to capital N upon Na. So number of purple container is equals to total number of apple upon number of apple in each container. Similar concepts we can use in kinetic theory of gases. Here small n is number of moles, capital N is total number of molecules. So if there are capital N number of molecules is present in the system, and if we divide that molecule by Avogadro's number, means number of molecules in each mole, then we will get number of moles. So small n is equals to capital N upon Na. Here again note that Na is what? Avogadro's number. It means number of molecules in 1 mole. Now consider each apple is of 10 gram. So mass of each apple is equal to 10 gram, which is denoted by small m. If there are 20 apples, then total mass will be 20 into 10, which is equals to 200 gram. Similarly, in the case of gas, small m is the mass of each molecule, capital N is total number of molecules present, then mass of the gas is equals to small m into capital N. So capital M is equals to small m into n, which is the mass of the gas. And what will be the mass of each container? Each container contains 4 apple. Each apple is of mass 10 gram, and each container having mass 10 into 4, which is equals to 40 gram. Similarly, here m naught is the molar mass, means mass of each mole. So simply we multiply small m, means mass of each molecule, multiply by Avogadro's number, because number of molecules in 1 mole is known as Avogadro's number. So molar mass is equals to small m into Na. So remember these 3 equations. Small n is equals to capital N upon Na, m is equals to small m into n, where capital M is mass of the gas, small m is mass of molecule, and capital N is total number of molecules. Here m naught is equals to small m into Na. Here m naught is molar mass, small m is mass of each molecule, and Na is Avogadro's number. Now let's come to our topic, root mean square speed. In the previous lecture, we had derived this relation for pressure of the gas. Here P is equals to 1 upon 3 small m into capital N V square upon capital V. Here P is the pressure, small m is mass of each molecule of the gas, capital N is total number of molecules, V square bar is mean square speed, and capital V is volume of the gas. Here V square bar is mean square speed. Therefore, V square bar is equals to 3 PV upon N into M. Here simply multiply P by 3V and divide by N into M. So we get the relation for V square bar. But we know that from ideal gas equation, PV is equals to nRT. So here substitute for PV, we get V square bar is equals to 3 nRT upon N into M. Now just we had seen that small n is equals to capital N upon Na. So here substitute for small n. So n upon Na. Here n get cancelled. So we get V square bar is equals to 3RT upon Na into M. Here capital N is total number of molecules, Na is Avogadro's number, and small n is number of moles. Therefore, now Na into M is nothing but molar mass m naught. So substitute for Na into M. So we get V square bar is equals to 3RT upon m naught. Here m naught is the molar mass of the gas. Now taking square root on both sides, so we get square root of V square bar is equals to square root of 3RT upon m naught. Here V square bar is mean square speed, and if we take its square root, then we will get VRMS, means root mean square speed is equals to square root of 3RT upon m naught. So root mean square speed is only depends on T, means absolute temperature, and m naught, means molar mass of the gas, because R and 3 both are constant. R is known as universal gas constant. So root mean square speed is depends only on absolute temperature and molar mass. Now let us derive an expression for average kinetic energy per molecule. Again consider the same expression that we had already derived. So pressure for the gas P is equals to 1 upon 3 small m into N V square bar upon capital V. Here P is the pressure, small m is mass of each molecule, capital N is total number of molecules, capital V is volume of the box, and V square bar is mean square speed. So multiply 3V on the other side. So we get, multiply V on the other side. So we get PV is equals to 1 upon 3 mn V square bar. Now multiply right hand side, multiply and divide right hand side by 2. So we get 2 by 3 into nm V square bar upon 2. Now here half mv square bar is the average translational kinetic energy of a molecule. And in an ideal gas, we know that there is no intermolecular interaction between two molecules. Therefore, potential energy is absent. There is no potential energy between, there is no potential energy of the molecule. So total energy of the molecule is purely due to kinetic energy of that molecule. So simply kinetic energy is equals to total energy. Therefore, half mv square is nothing but the average total energy of a molecule. And if half mv square bar is the average total energy of a molecule, then n into half mv square is total average total energy of a gas, because gas contain n number of molecules. Therefore, average total energy of a gas is equals to n into half mv square. Now substitute this value in equation number 1. So we get PV is equals to 2 upon 3 into E. But we also have the relation PV is equals to NKBT from ideal gas equation. Now compare these two equations. Left hand side is the same. Therefore, right hand side must be equal. So NKBT is equals to 2 upon 3 into E. Therefore, E is equals to 3 by 2 NKBT. Here, capital E is the average kinetic energy. If we divide this E by capital N, we get E upon N is equals to 3 by 2 kBT. Here E upon N is the average kinetic energy per molecule. Each molecules has that much kinetic energy, average kinetic energy 3 by 2 kBT. So average kinetic energy per molecule is depends only on absolute temperature, because 3 by 2 is constant and Kb is known as Boltzmann constant. Therefore, E upon N is directly proportional to T. So average kinetic energy is only depends on the temperature, or we can say that temperature represents only average kinetic energy, or you can say in ideal gas, in ideal gas it is average total energy per molecule. So we will stop here. In the next lecture we will discuss about degrees of freedom and equipartition theorem. Thank you.